आ आ
Hello children, today we are going to discuss about 4th standard Essay 2 SST Model Question Paper of 2020-21. The model question paper for each and every subject, the model question paper contains 50 marks. Okay. Can we start? The first main is choose the correct options from the bracket. There are 10 fill in the blanks are there. Are you observing? There are 10 fill in the blanks. Each question carries 1 marks and there are so many options are there in the bracket. Is it? Let's try. Question number 1. C.V. Raman was born in dash. There are options. Odisha, aluminium, harbour, cottage, railway, Tiruchirappalli, world, water, road, raw and pure. Which one is correct here? C.V. Raman was born in dash. C.V. Raman was born in Tiruchirappalli. You should mark the option as well as you should fill the answer. Second one, ships are sheltered in a harbour. India has one of the world's largest dash networks. Railway networks. Basket making industry is an example of dash industry. Cottage industry. Wheat is a staple food in dash India. Wheat is a staple food in dash India. Wheat is a staple food. Wheat is a staple food in dash India. Wheat is a staple food in North India. Next, iron ore is a dash material. Iron ore is a raw material. Aeroplane is made of dash. Aeroplane is made of aluminium. The Hirakud Dam is in the state of Odisha. Groundwater is a source of fresh water or pure water, whatever you can write. Next, 22nd March is celebrated as Dash Day every year. 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day every year. Next, match the following words. Here also, each question carries 1 marks. There are 10 words. First one is, first I will read A block, afterwards I will read B block. Bhakra Nangal, largest canal, oil seed, radio, super fast train, Mumbai, Rabindranath Tagore, tidal forest, Jim Corbett, cement, Sesame, Duranto, Jana Gana Mana, Mangrove, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, limestone, Akashvani, Uttarakhand, Sutlej, Indira Gandhi. Let's match children. Bhakra Nangal Dam. Where I have to match Bhakra Nangal Dam? Bhakra Nangal Dam. I have to match with the Sutlej River. Next one is largest canal. Largest canal is Indira Gandhi Canal. Oil seed. Oil seed means enne kalugalu. Sesame seeds. Have you heard sesame seeds? Next, radio. Who invented radio? ರೇಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ. Next, which is the super fast train? Duranto. Next, Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. Rabindranath Tagore, Jana Gana Mana. Tidal forest. Tidal forest. Mangrove forest means tidal forest is also called mangrove forest. Jim Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. Cement, limestone. The main question C. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Children, there are 10 questions. There are 10 questions. Each question carries 1 marks. Answer the following in one sentence. The first question is, name the types of forest. Answer is evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorn forest, coniferous forest, tidal forest. Second question is, what is constitution? This is very important question regarding SA2 exam. Keep it in your mind. What is a constitution? A set of laws laid down for governing a country effectively is known as its constitution. Mention the things made from jute. ಸೆಣಬಿನಿಂದ ನಾವೇನೇನು ತಯಾರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ? What are the things made from jute? Carpets, gunny bags and linens. Fourth question, which are the states have benefited through the Green Revolution? Hasiru Kranti. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. Who was Rajaram Mohan Roy? Rajaram Mohan Roy was a social reformer and scholar in many languages. Define harbor. The area where ships and steamers are sheltered against harsh weather and stored for future use is known as a harbor. What does an automobile industry produce? Cars, jeeps, buses, trucks, railway engines. Write the uses of coal. Coal is used as a fuel and to generate electricity. Ninth question. List the uses of dams. Prevention of floods, storage of water, supply of water for irrigation, generation of hydroelectricity. Where can you find red soil in India? Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Write a short note on deciduous forest or radio. What you should write regarding short note, children? Deciduous forest. In these forests, trees shed their leaves annually. These forests are also known as monsoon forest. Another one topic, radio. Radio, it was built by Marconi. All India Radio or Akashvani broadcasts news and different types of programs in Hindi, English and regional languages. Important news bulletins and entertainment programs like songs, music and commentaries are broadcast through radio. Write the full forms of WWW, World Wide Web. SMS, Short Messaging Service. Name the following. Golden fiber, jute. Jute is also known as golden fiber. Coal. Coal is also known as black diamond. Longest dam in India, Hirakud. Picture study. Children, I'll show one picture. Wait a minute. Say, children. Who is he? Yarivru? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Alva? Your picture ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? Identify the picture. If I given this picture, what you should write about APJ Abdul Kalam? You should write. You should identify the picture. Abdul Kalam. He was a scientist and President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was known as the Missile Man of India. They got the awards Bharat Ratna. He was an engineer in a Defense Research and Development Organization, that is nothing but a DRDO, and Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Next main. State whether these statements are true. If it is true, you should write it in a bracket T. If it is wrong, you should write it in a F. You should write it F in bracket. The first question is, a cottage industry needs large machinery? No. False. Gautama Buddha was the 24th Tirthankara? No. Mahavira was the 24th Tirthankara. False. The directive principles are guidelines for the people of the country? False. Teak tree belongs to tropical forest. True. Fifth question. We must overuse water. We should conserve water or we must overuse water, children? We must overuse water. Is it correct? No. False. Next, last and best. Give reason. Why is coal known as black diamond? Coal is a non-renewable source of energy which is very valuable and it is economic importance also. Since it is black, it is known as coal is a non-renewable source of energy which is very valuable and it is of economic importance also. And since it is black, it is known as black diamond. Another one question is, the Indian Railways is known as the lifeline of India. Why? India has a wide network of railways which connects almost the entire country through different routes. Therefore, Indian Railways is known as the lifeline of India. Is it, children? I will show once from the beginning. Thank you.